How to use the new Royal Analyzer. Royal Analyzer Basic. This is a detailed instruction of how to use the modern imaging detector Royal Analyzer Basic. This device was made in USA and it is provided with advanced searching programs with very high resolution. At first, we can see the main unit of the device with a built-in monitor screen, so we can do without laptop, wiring and connection. On the main panel, we can find the selection keys of the scanning programs, the volume keys, and the handle that contains the operation key and the start button. After connecting and operating the main power through the external battery of the device, we turn on the power button in the handle. Then, the device and monitor run together, where the lights are lit in blue for a few seconds, then turn off and holds on the red light as a guide for power connecting. Now the device is ready to work. The device works primarily on two programs. First, 3D imaging program, which is the main and comprehensive program. It can be used in two options, automatic and manual. Second, the horizontal scanning program, direct to scan large areas and the whereabouts of metals in general and the speed of search. Now we start with the direct horizontal program. After opening the program from the top of the screen, that is arrows, choose the horizontal search icon from the top right of the screen. Then press the Connect button. After that, open the scanning sensors in a vertical position to the ground while lifting device about 20 centimeters above the ground. Then go for the area to be scanned and choose Direct Searching button to start scanning, so you can see the whereabouts of caves and minerals directly, where the metals are marked with red, caves with dark blue, and soil with green. With direct imaging, then the user has the ability to scan area as fast as possible and discover whether there is any kind of metals such as gold, silver or caves and underground voids with ease in dealing with the device, and you can touch the back button to exit the program at any time when the search is completed. (3D) Automatic Imaging Program. After opening the program from the top of the screen, choose the 3D searching icon from the top right of the screen. Then go to Preferences. 1. Scanning method. There are two ways, either scan in one direction or scanning back and forth, that is, zigzag. Note: in the automatic scanning, you must choose back and forth, but in manual scanning, you can choose between two methods. 2. You notice that there is the parameter of choosing number of steps to be scanned. The step is equal to approximately 1 meter. For example, if you want to scan area 5 meters long by 4 meters wide, you choose 5 meters according to the steps and 8 meters according to the line number, which give an accurate result. After choosing Preferences, push Connect button. Then go to the area that you want to scan and open sensors in vertical way to the ground, 20 centimeters high. Then press Automatic Scan button. Finally, the device begins scanning and imaging directly. After finishing from scanning and the image is completed, click Back button to stop sending waves. Analyzing scan results. Since the imaging program is a 3D analysis one, you need to analyze the generated image by scanning and defining its contents accurately. In the preview, you find the following colors: red, orange, yellow, dark blue, light blue, and green. Red color refers to metals in general. Orange refers to metal materials. Yellow refers to mineral soil and identifies minerals from the outside. Dark blue refers to caves and vacuums. Light blue refers to outlining the vacuums from charting their dimensions, while yellow charts the metal frame. To preview the image as a 3D shape, you can move in all directions by hand. If the red color is random and irregular and an orange or yellow halo surrounds it, then it is cheap metal, that is iron or copper. But if it is a regular shape, that is square, rectangle, and the yellow line defines the metal completely, then it is a precious metal. And always, the picture shows us targets hidden underground stereoscopically. For example, if the target is chest, then the red color shown in the picture is very similar to a chest. Determining the depth, you note a red frame, and you will see the depth directly here. And you can move this frame to any point in the screen to see its depth completely through the icon of the depth on left of the screen. To save an image, open the file from the top left of the screen and select Save. Then select the storage location, and the keyboard opens for typing the name or the date of the image. Manual Scan Program. It is similar to the automatic search, but you need to push the button on the bottom of the handle for each step until the scan completes, then preview the result. Note: steps for manual scanning system are the same as automatic scanning, but after choosing Manual Scanning Program, you are required to press the button at the bottom of the handle for each step. It is the best for scanning small areas. Screen icons. You note several icons within the frame of the screen. Some are primary and some are preferential and specialized for the effects. Important symbols. ID's elements symbol. After opening this symbol, you note the code numbers which signify the element's definitions, where the minerals take high numbers, but caves and soil take low numbers. And the number of grid squares are the same as that we have chosen to scan, and every square has its own number. Depth icon symbol. When it is open, you can navigate with the arrows to move the red box and directly see the depth of any chosen point. Up and down arrow icons serve measuring the magnetic field of the target. On selecting the file icon at the top of the screen, we can do the following: open a new search process, image save, change the language. There are many languages available in the device program. Back square, return to the main image and remove effects. The square of removing the grid off the image. Icons used especially to watch the image in 3D from multiple angles. Colored boxes in red, blue, and green through which you can hide a color from the screen for easy analysis. You can remove caves and soil and keep discovered minerals, or you can remove soil and keep discovered metals, caves, and vacuums, and vice versa. Square of choosing soil type. You can use the soil type to determine the target depth precisely. Final notes. When working with the battery, there are color signs to show the charge level: green or blue or red. It is best to work with battery if the color is green. You can close and reopen the program without a need for closing the device. After work is completed, you must shut down the screen from the power switch at the bottom left of the screen. Then you can shut down the device from the main key in the handle. And finally, disconnect the power. On referring to the user manual, you will see a more detailed explanation in this regard. For further inquiries, please contact us at the main branches